Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable call forwarding on your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. So as a first step, we would need to open the phone app and then click on these three dots on the right corner. Here, choose Settings, and then scroll down until you'll find this tab, which is named Supplementary Services. Click on it. Here, go to the call forwarding, choose voice calls, and here is it. As you can see here, we got 4 options, which is always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, or forward when unreachable. So let's choose, for example, the third one, and here enter some phone number that the calls will be forwarded to when they have been unanswered. Just like this, click enable, and if the number is valid, this function will be enabled. So unfortunately, I have typed in random number that is not valid, but I think you got it how to set it. So this is it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.